In part one of this video series, we learned that we are risk-averse in the realm of net gains and risk-seeking in the realm of net losses. Unfortunately, neither of these behaviors are best for the corporation for the vast majority of decisions being made in the corporation. Let's explore why corporate decisions should be based on a risk-neutral, unbiased basis. In decision-making, we all have a fast-acting emotional response that races ahead of our more analytical thinking. At the core of our brain's emotional center, that includes fear, is the amygdala, the neurological source of our aversion to loss. By scanning our brains during the act of decision-making, we can observe the battle between the amygdala and our prefrontal cortex, the source of our analytical thinking. Our faster-acting emotional center drives most of our decisions, unless our analytical thinking intervenes, and even then, it's an uphill battle. The bottom line is, our desire for gains is much less than our disdain for losses. For the vast majority of decisions being made in corporations, decision makers should be risk neutral. That is, make decisions based on expected value. This means from the perspective of the corporation, perceived value should equal expected value. The question is, why? Mathematically, the answer is because of the law of large numbers. From a corporate perspective, risk-averse and risk-seeking decision-making destroys value in the long run. The corporation has the advantage of a portfolio effect when it comes to decision-making. Within a corporation, there are hundreds to thousands of decisions being made on a continuous basis. Think of our restructured sure bet compared to the risky bet. The sure bet has an expected value of $150 and the risky bet has an expected value of $250. If the corporation has 10 of these situations, the results of taking 10 risky bets has a probability distribution that looks like this. The horizontal axis represents the total value of taking 10 risky bets. The expected value of taking 10 risky bets is equal to 10 times the expected value of a single risky bet, or $2,500. The expected value of 10 sure bets is 10 times the expected value of a single sure bet, or $1,500. The risk premium is the amount of the expected value foregone to avoid the uncertainty of the risky bets, and in this case, the risk premium is $1,000. We can calculate the probability that the value of the sum of 10 risky bets is greater than the value of the sum of 10 sure bets, and that is about a 76% chance. Now watch what happens when we consider 100 risky bets. The expected value of 100 risky bets is $25,000. The expected value of 100 sure bets is $15,000. The risk premium has increased to $10,000 of value left on the table, and the probability of the value of the sum of 100 risky bets is greater than the value of the sum of 100 sure bets has increased to nearly 99%. The power of the law of large numbers is emerging. There can easily be well over 1,000 such decisions being made by individuals in the enterprise where the law of large numbers becomes so ever apparent. The expected value of 1,000 risky bets is $250,000, whereas the expected value of 1,000 sure bets is $150,000, resulting in a risk premium swelling to $100,000 with a probability of 1 that the sum of the risky bets will outperform the sum of the sure bets. Houston, we have a problem. Risk neutral or expected value decision making does not come to us naturally. Just like the lioness, our desire for gains is much less than our disdain for losses. By nature, we're risk-averse in the realm of gains, and we're risk-seeking in the realm of losses. Both behaviors destroy enterprise value in the long run. Unless it's a bet-the-farm situation for the corporation, the vast majority of decisions should be based on expected value. That is, a corporate risk-neutral, risk preference. Unfortunately, our intuition and judgment get in the way of being risk neutral. So we'll need analytics, but not just any logically sound analytics. You'll need pro-enterprise management analytics. For more information, check out our website and my latest book, Problem, Risk, and Opportunity: Enterprise Management.